Hello friends, finally the most awaited session has come. Most of you have requested me to do question paper analysis for the topic permutation and combination. So here I present in detailed question paper analysis for the papers 2019 to 15. So let's get started. So question paper analysis, let's see what type of questions were there in your previous year. So I have taken the questions from the 2019 to 15. So there are total 10 question papers. Okay. So the maximum weightage is given to the permutations with the numbers and alphabets. So there were in these 20 question papers you get 15 questions from this type, and the tricks and tips you will find in my fun class videos number 1, 2 and 3. The second weightage is given to the property based questions. So there were in total 7 questions, and you will get the tricks and tips in the fun class number 8 and 15. Third weightage is given to how many straight lines or triangles for a given number of set of points. So these were the application to the geometry questions. So there were total 5 questions, and you will find the shortcut tricks in the fun class number 12. The next weightage I found for the topic the distribution of objects. So how many ways you can distribute n chocolates to m objects. So there were 2 questions, and you can solve easily those 2 questions if you see the fun class number 2 from the topic combinations basics. So there were total 3 questions, and you can solve those questions if you understand the fun class number 9, 9.1 and 10. And the last most important is the rank of word. What is the rank of this dot dot word is? So what that dot dot word? Let's see. Okay, so there were only 1 question, but trust me, these questions are very popular these days. Okay, so these type of questions can be easily solved if you have seen the fun class number 5, 6 and 7. So are you excited to know how to apply the shortcut tricks and tips I have given in these fun classes to the actual questions? So let's get started. So here is the first question from the 2019 second part. So this is belong to the fun class number 12. What is the number of diagonals of an octagon? So I have already discussed in fun 12, that is the diagonals are nothing but what? Total straight lines minus the sides. Okay, so total straight lines, so octagon, it is an octagon, so total straight lines we'll get is 8 C2. So there were 8 vertices you have in an octagon. So out of those 8, pick any 2. So 8C2 are the total number of straight lines minus the total sides were in an octagon. Total sides are 8. Okay, so 8C2. How to open the 8C2? So 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 minus 8. So this goes by 4. So it is 28 minus 8, so which is nothing but 20. So what is your answer? So it is 20. Option D is correct. Yes, very good. Next question is question number 23. Again from the 2019 second part. You will get the trick in the fun class number 15. So the question is property based question. So PNR is equals to 2520 and CNR is equals to 21. Then what is the value of n plus 1 CR plus 1? what they have given is, let's see here. So NPR is equals to 2520 is given, and NCR is equals to 21 is given. We know that the relation between NCR and NPR is what? NCR is equals to NPR upon R factorial. So from this, what will be the R factorial? R factorial is what? NPR upon NCR. So if you substitute the given values, what is NPR and NCR, so you will get 2520 upon 21. So it will cancel by 120. So what you get? R factorial is equals to 120. So what factorial is 120? So we know that R factorial, which is 5 factorial, is equals to 120. So from that I can say R is equals to what? What is R is equals to? It is 5. R is 5. But what they have asked? They have asked n plus 1 C R plus 1 they have asked. So which is nothing but n plus 1 C 6. But do you want to find out the value of n with this trick? No. First what we'll do, with the help of this R, we'll try to find out which value of n will satisfy this 21. Yes? Okay, see here. So let me erase everything. So what we get is R is equals to 5. So here we get R is equals to 5. So let's take this part. So NC5, it is equals to 21. So what value of n gives me answer 21? So what is? Let's do the power of substitution. Let's use the power of substitution. So as n C R, so R is 5, so let's take n is equals to 7. So let's take n is equals to 7, and you will get 7C5, which is equals to 7C2, which is equals to 7, 6 upon 1 and 2. This goes by 3. Satrike quiz. Oh, very good. So definitely in the first question itself we get, in the first attempt itself we get n value as a 7. But observe very carefully, this is not your answer. We get here the value of n. Yes. So for n is equals to 7, our given condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. Which condition? This condition is satisfied. Now for the n is equals to 7 and R is equals to 5, let's find out this. Let's find out the n plus 1. So that is 7 plus 1 C 5 plus 1. The value of this they have asked. So which is nothing but 8 C6, which is nothing but 8 C2, which is nothing but 8, 7, 1 and 2. It goes by 4. So Sachuk 28. So what is your answer is? So answer is 28. So option number C. Option number C is correct. Okay. See here I am explaining, that's why it is taking this much time. But if you know the basics, you can solve within 60 seconds. So let's move to the third question from the 2019. So the question number is 30. It is from the topic Fun Class 15. So what is given here is 47. So I think I have solved the same question in Fun Class number 15. So 47C4 plus 51C3 plus 50C3 plus 49C3 plus 48C3 plus 47C3 is equal to what they are asking. So for this question we should know this property. What is that property? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is always equals to n plus 1 CR. Yes. So see here, NCR, consider this as a NCR. If it is NCR, then this will be NCR minus 1. So the answer will be what? N plus 1. So N is what? 47 plus 1 is 48C. R is 4. 48C4. So next time you take this NCR and you take this as a NCR minus 1. So you will get N plus 1CR. Then you take these two, you will get 50C4. Then you take this and this, you will get 51C4. You take this and this, you will get 52C4. That's it. So this is your answer, 52C4. Answer number, option number C. Okay, yes. If C20 n plus 2 is equals to 20 n minus 2, so what is actually is 20C n plus 2 is equals to 20C n minus 2. So fun class number 15, if you see this, you can solve this question easily. So whenever the two combinations are equal, then what? Their r's will be same, okay, or the addition of these two r's is equals to n. So definitely, so you do n plus 2 plus n minus 2, which is equals to 20. So this 2 cancel, so 2n is equals to 20. So from this n is equals to 10. That's it. So then what is the value of n पूछा है? So n कितना हो गया भाई? 10 हो गया. Okay. So for more detailed explanation, please see the fun class number 15. Okay, so done with questions from the 2019 second part. So we are in the first part now. So this question is what? There are total 10 points in a plane. Geometry, application to geometry. So 10 points in a plane. No 3 of points are in a straight line. What is the total number of straight lines which can be formed by the joining points? We know that total number of points, so for one straight line you require 2 points. So from the 10 points I pick 2 points using 10C2. So this will be equals to 10, 9 upon 1 into 2, so it goes by 5, so 9 5s are 45. So what is this? So the answer is what? 45. Yes. Next question. So here the option number is B. Next. Question number 20 from 2019. First part. From 6 programmers and 4 typists, an office wants to recruit 5 people. Okay. What is the number of ways this can be done so as to recruit at least one typist? एक typist तो चाहिए. So again fun class number 9.1 where I have discussed the conditions such as the at least, at most, exactly. Okay, यहाँ पे at least one typist पूछा है. So first substitute that condition. At least one typist. So if you are including one typist, then you have to include 4 programmers because we want total 5 people. So 1 plus 4 5. At least बोला है तो minimum 1, maximum कितना है? पांचों के पांचों typist हो सकते हैं. Okay. So next case will be 2 typists and the 3 programmers, or you will have 3 typists or 2 programmers or 4 typists and 1 programmer. Can we have all the typists here? No, because by total 4 typist है उधर, but आप लोगों को 5 लोगों को select करना है. So this is what? This is the total cases you will have. So 1T 4P. So one typist you can select from the 4 in how many ways? So that will be in a 4C1, 4 programmers from 6 is 6P4 plus 4C2 into 6C3 plus 4C3 into 6C2 plus 4C4 into 6C1. Okay, so if you solve this total, the answer will be, so this will be 20, this will be 120, this will be again 60, and this will be 6. So if you add all these things, so you will get 246 as your answer. So how to open these combinations, I have discussed the fun class number 9, 9.1 and 10. So please see this and let's crack these type of questions easily. Let's get started to the next question. 99 question from the fun class, from the 2019 first part. How many 3-digit even numbers, very good, so 3-digit भी चाहिए और even number भी चाहिए, can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 when the repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay, so 1, 3 digit चाहिए, so you take the 3 places here. Even digit, so even means what? The condition is on the units place. In how many ways you can fill this units place? You have even numbers as a 2 or 4, so you have in total 2 options for the unit place. So out of these 5 numbers you have used 1 number here, so how many remaining? So 4, and for the next 3, so 4 into 3 into 2, so we have in total 24 numbers can be formed which are even 3-digit numbers. Yes, so this in detail I have explained in fun class number 1 and 2. So done with 2019. Let's start 2018 second part. So second part, okay, so sixth question, let x be the number of integers lying between 2999 and 8001 which have at least 2 digits equal. What do you mean by at least 2 digit equal? Means you have to consider all the digits are same. Okay, means repetition is allowed. Yes, okay, at least means what? So how I will find out these x will be here? I will first find out total numbers, and from that I will subtract all the numbers which have distinct digits. Okay, this will give me at least 2 digits same numbers. Yes or no? I will get 2 digits same number. So all distinct digits, how will find out? All distinct digits from these, how you will find out? So see here all the digits are from 4-digit numbers. Okay, so for the 1000 place, how many options you have? In between number बोला है, so you cannot consider these two extremes. So the numbers will start from 3000 and end on 8000. So I can use here numbers 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 only. You cannot use 8, because if you use 8 you will exceed 8000. Okay, so only 5 options I have here. From the total digits 0 to 9 we are using 1 digit here, so the remaining numbers are 9, 8 and 7. These many options is the remaining. If you multiply you will get the answer as 2520. So 2520 numbers are there which have distinct digits. All distinct digits means what? This is the 2520, ये वाला part. How you will find out the total numbers? Total numbers in between बोला है, in between how you found out? If you have studied the sequence and series, there you get the concept how to find out the in between numbers. See here, in between numbers will be 8001 minus 2999 minus 1. This will give you the in between numbers. So if you do subtraction you will get 5001. Okay, so what is your total answer exactly is, just subtract these two. 5001 minus 2520, this will be equals to 2481. Okay, so what is your answer is 2481 is your answer number, option number B. So what we have done here is we have found the total numbers in between 2999 to the 8001. From the total numbers we have subtracted the numbers which have distinct digits, so that will give me all the numbers which have at least 2 digits same. Repetition is allowed. Okay, So this is the way you can find out. So 2481 is the answer. Next question. In 2012, so there were total 16 cricket players. Okay, ठीक है, कितना भी दे दो, 16 दे दो, 17 दे दो, 1000 दे दो, 100 दे दो. There are 17 cricket players, out of which 5 players can bowl. Okay, in how many ways can a team of 11 players be selected so as to include 3 bowlers? इतना easy question है. Okay, if you see the fun class number 10, you will understand exactly include. Okay, these questions you can easily find out. ठीक है, अभी देखो क्या क्या इंक्लूड करना है. टोटल अपने पास 17 प्लेयर्स है, उसमें से आपको 11 प्लेयर्स को सेलेक्ट करना है. बट इन दिस 11 प्लेयर आई वांट 3 बॉलर्स. ओके, सो 3 बॉलर्स प्लस 8 नॉर्मल प्लेयर्स वी वांट. सो बॉलर्स इन टोटल हाउ मेनी बॉलर्स वी हैव? 5 बॉलर्स वी हैव. 5 बॉलर है, सो 5 में से मुझे 3 बॉलर्स को पिक करना है. ओके, सी if in these 17 if you have 5 bowlers, then the remaining 12 are normal players. Okay, so from those 12 I want to pick 8 players. So in how many ways you can do? So 5C3 and 12C8, that's it. 5C3 is for bowlers, 12C8 for the normal players. So what is your answer? C53 and 12C8. See the fun class number 10. In detail I have given all the tricks and tips. So the total number of 5 digit numbers that can be composed of distinct digits from 0 to 9. Distinct digits means repetition is not allowed. 5 digit पूछा है, very good. It is very very simple. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, कुछ बोला है क्या? Even number, odd number, no condition. But 0 है, villain है. I have given you concept of villain in fun class 1 and 2. Okay, 0 means you cannot use at the most this place. Okay, so how many options you have here is only 9 options. Repetition not allowed, so you have not used 0 here, but you are allowed to use 0 in these places. So again 9 options, 8 7 and 6. So this is, if you multiply you will get the answer as 27216. Okay, 27216. so option number C, 27216. Next, what is the sum of all 3 digit numbers? Yes, this is very important. That can be formed using all the digits 3 4 and 5 when the repetition of digit is not allowed. So fun class number, you will get the basic of this question in the fun class number 1 and 2. Okay, so let's see 3 4 and 5. First of all, let's consider one small number. Suppose you have given us 4 and 5, these two numbers. Now using these numbers, how many numbers can be formed? Only 2. One is 54 and other is 45. Now what is the sum of these numbers they are asking? Okay, so I am taking for a sake of example here. Okay, so what is the sum of these two numbers? So if you observe, for the units place, the 4 and 5 has appeared only once. So I can take 4 plus 5 into 1, which is equals to 9. And again for the 10th place, 5 and 4 has appeared once. So 4 plus 5, but as these are the 10th place, you have to multiply by 10, so which will be equals to 90. So answer will be what? 99. The same, using the same concept, we have to find out the answer to this question. Okay, so let me erase everything. So here 3 4 and 5 digits you have. Okay, so how many numbers can be formed using these 3 digits? So 3 4 5. For the first option you have 3 options, then 2, then 1. So total 6 numbers you can form. So definitely, as there are 3 digits, you can write them easily. 3 4 5, 3 5 4, 4 3 5, 4 5 3, then 5 3 4, then 5 4 3. These are the 6 numbers you get. अभी एडिशन क्या है, इन सबका एडिशन क्या है? So definitely we can add these numbers manually. But what if the digits are more, greater than 3? If there are 4 digits, you will get 24 numbers. Then how you will do manually? So then what is trick here? So understand the concept. See here, for the units place, this 5 has appeared twice, 4 has appeared twice, and 3 has appeared again twice. So for the units place, 5 plus 4 plus 3, as they have appeared twice, multiply by 2. What is sum? It is 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 into 2 is 24. For the 10th place, see, for the 10th place, let me change the color. 10th place, 4 has appeared again twice, 5 has appeared twice, and again 3 has appeared twice. So means what? 5 plus 4 plus 3 into 2, as they are at the 10th place, the value of the place is what? 10. So which is equals to 240. Now for the 100th place, again all the digits have appeared twice, 3 twice, 4 twice, 5 twice, into 2 into 100's place, the value will be what? 100. So 2400. So what is the sum of these numbers is 2400 plus 240 plus 24. This is equals to 2664. Okay, so 2664, the option number A. ये तो हो गया भाई लॉन्ग मेथड. अभी शॉर्टकट मेथड क्या है? See here, I hope you understand this. Okay, the shortcut method is what? If there are n digits and all the digits are using and repetition is not allowed, all digits you have to use and repetition is not allowed. Okay, then sum, how you will find out the sum? If this is the condition, n minus 1 factorial times the numbers will appear in the total numbers. Means what? Here we have 3 numbers, n is 3, so 3 factorial, which is equals to 3 factorial, 3 minus 2 factorial, 3 minus 1 factorial, which is nothing but 2 factorial. So each number will appear two times at every units place, 10 place and 100 place. Okay, if suppose there are 4 numbers, so 4 minus 1, so 3 factorial, which is equals to 6, means each and every digit will appear 6 times at unit place, at 10 place, at 100 place and at the 1000 place. Each and every number will appear for 6 times. Okay, according to that you have to do the, so यहाँ पे you will multiply by 6, you will multiply by 60, you will multiply by 600, you will multiply by 6000. Okay, and you just add, take the sum of these numbers, you add. Okay, finally you will get the answer. Okay, I hope you understand this concept पे ध्यान दो यार. Okay, very good. Next, how many numbers between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 if the repetition of digits is not allowed? इतना easy question है. Okay, 100 and 1000 numbers they are asking. So this question is from the 2018 first part. 3 digit, so you will start the numbers from 101 and end on 999. If you see, all the numbers are 3 digit numbers. Between bola to you cannot include these extremes. So 3 digit numbers, how many 3 digit numbers you can form using these digits? How many options you have for this place? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 digits, so you can use all 5 digits here. Then 4, then 3, 5 21 विस्तृत 60. So total 60 numbers. So option number D. So total 60 numbers are there in between these two. How many 4 digit numbers divisible by 10 can be formed using the digits? See, in the same question paper, the same concept questions have appeared twice. How many 4 digit number पूछा है? 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number divisible by 10 can be formed without repetition of digit. What is divisibility condition for 10? Sir, units place पे 0 होना चाहिए. Okay, so in how many ways you can fill this place? Only one. Getting? Now out of these 5 digits you have used 0, so the remaining are what? 4. यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 2. So what is the multiplication? 12 दूनी 24. So total there are 24 numbers which can be divisible by 10. So what is the number of triangles? Very good. That can be formed by choosing the vertex from a set of 12 points, out of which 7 are lying on the same straight line. 7 are collinear lines. So the concept I have discussed in the fun class number 12. So the triangles बोला है. So for triangles I require 3 vertices. So from the 12 points I will pick 3 vertices in the 12C 3 ways, but these 7 points are collinear, so I cannot form any triangle using these 7 points. So I have to subtract those 7C 3 triangles. So the answer will be 12, 11, 10 divided by 1, 2, 3 minus 7, 6, 5 divided by 1, 2, 3, and if you solve you will get the answer as 185. Okay, so answer is 185. Please see this fun class number 12, you will understand. What is the NCR plus 2 NCR minus 1 plus CNR minus 2? Again the same question, property based question. Okay, so this is NCR plus 2 into NCR. I will write in this form: NCR minus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus NCR minus 2. Okay, this is the middle term, middle term. Okay, now again we'll use the same properties. So if you combine these two, NCR plus NCR minus 1 will give you N plus 1 CR. Okay, if you add these two, NCR minus 1 plus NCR minus 2 will give me out N plus 1 CR minus 1. Use the property. Same property I am applying for these both. Okay, now what is this? Here is NCR N plus 1 CR N plus 1 CR minus 1. Now your N becomes N plus 1. Okay, so again use the same property. What property I am using is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is always equals to N plus 1 CR. Here N plus 1 is actual N. So this addition will be what? N plus 1 plus 1 CR, which is nothing but N plus 2 CR. Okay, N plus 2 CR. So what is your answer is N plus 1 CR. So option number, sorry, N plus 2 CR. So option number D. Okay, very good. So done with 2018. Let's start to 2017. How many different permutations can be made out of the letters permutation? अरे बाप रे. Okay, ठीक, permutation दे दो, association दे दो, we'll definitely solve because you have already seen this fun class number 1 to 3. If you have not seen, please go through it once again. Okay, so first check out whether there are any repetitions or not. PERMU, sir repeat हो गया है, सिर्फ T 2 बार repeat है. T has repeated twice. So how many total alphabets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are total 11 and 2 are repeated. So in how many ways 11 alphabets can be arranged? Answer is 11 factorial. How to remove this T repeated? Divide by 2 factorial. So if you open it, you will get the answer as 199,58400. I have already calculated. Okay, so please make sure that you are calculating on your own. 199,58400. So this is your answer, option number A. Okay, done with the 2018. Let's start 2017. Yes, this is the most important question and it is fully conceptual question. A tea party is arranged for 16 people along two sides of long table with 8 chairs on each side. Okay, a long table है and 8 chairs on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 8 chairs on each side. 4 particular men wish to sit on one particular side and 2 particular men on the other side. अभी ये particular person कौन है? Suppose X नहीं, A, B, C, D, these 4 people want to sit on this side and suppose M and N want to sit on this side. Okay, suppose A, B, C, D are occupying these places. We are just assuming, and M and N are occupying these places. Okay. Now, in how many ways, the number of ways they can be seated? This is the question. Now see here, अभी वो particular लोग कौन कौन है? A, B, C, D and M, N. How many people have already decided where to sit? On which side they have already decided? So there are total 6 people, they have already decided where to sit. Okay, so means what? 16 minus 6, which is equals to 10. Now there are 10 people, they don't know where to sit. So we can definitely have the number of ways in which these 10 people can be seated. Getting? These A, B, C, D and M, N have already occupied the seats on this side and this side. Now this side the 4 seats are vacant and this side 6 seats are vacant. Now these 4 seats can be filled in how many ways? We don't know. Out of these 10 people, 4 people, which 4 people will sit at this place? So these 4 places can be filled in 10C4 ways. एक बार अगर इन 10 में से if we have already selected 4 people, the remaining 6 people have to occupy this place. I hope you are understanding. So what is our objective here in this? You have to select only these 4 people. The remaining 6 people have to sit at this side only. Getting? Okay. So 10C4 is the number of ways in which you can fill this place. So 10C4. But once you get this 10C4, okay, let me erase everything. So once you get this 10C4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10C4, in 10C4 ways you can fill these 4 places out of 10 people. Okay. Now see here there are total 8 people and here there are total 8 people. These 8 people can also be permuted in between them. In how many ways? That is in 8 factorial ways. Okay, again these 8 people can permuted in between them in how many ways? Again 8 factorial ways. So what is your answer? Final answer is what? 10C4 and 8 factorial and 8 factorial. I hope you are understanding. Why this 10C4? Because we have to select the people for sitting on either side, either this side or this side. Okay, this 8 is why? Because these 8 people can permit among themselves. These 8 people can permit among themselves. So what is 10C4? 10C4 is 210. So 210 into 8 factorial into 8 factorial, this will be your answer, which is option number C. Okay, so if you have not understood this question, please see the same question again 2 to 3 times, you will definitely understand. Moving to the second question, 2017. There were only, I think there were 2 questions in 2017. Okay, so 17 first part is 3 digit numbers are formed from the digits 1, 2 and 3 in such a way that the digits are not repeated. What is the sum of such a 3 digit numbers? See, again the same concept question has appeared twice. 1, 2, 3, 3 digit numbers. So n becomes 3. So the digits will appear n minus 1 factorial times. So it is 2 factorial times, which is 2. Okay. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 2, which is nothing but 6 plus 2 is into 2 is 12. 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 20, which is 120. And 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 200, which is again 1200. If you add this, you will get 1332. Okay, so I hope you are understanding everything. 1332, option number D. Okay, the same question we have already discussed. Next, The value of this, again property based question, fun class number 15. So it is 7c0 plus 7c1 plus 7c1 plus 7c2 plus dot 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 plus 7c6 plus 7c7. See here, in this term has appeared twice, 7c1 7c1. Again you will see the 7c2 7c2 will appear twice, 7c6 7c6 has appeared in twice. Okay, so what I will do, I will divide this series in two parts. I will write down everything, 7c0 plus 7c1 plus 7c2 plus dot 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 plus 7c7. This is my one part. Plus now the repeated 7c1 has repeated twice, 7c1 plus 7c2 plus 7c3 plus dot 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 7c6. These are all the repeated combinations, these are all the original combinations in this series. Okay, what is the value of this 7c0 to 7c7 is 2 raised to 7. You will study this in the binomial theorem. Plus again this is what, इसमें क्या क्या नहीं है, इसमें सिर्फ 7c0 नहीं है और 7c7 नहीं है. Okay, what is the value of 7c0 is 1 and what is 7c7 is again 1. If what is the answer to this series is again 2 raised to 7. This series and this series same, only the difference is this part and this part is not there, means we have to remove these two. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is 2 raised to 7 is 128 plus 128 minus 2 which is 256 minus 2 which is 254. Okay, so 254 is your answer. It is actually the question of binomial theorem. Don't worry, you can solve any ways if you have the basics. The number of different words, 8 letter words ending and beginning with consonant which can be made out of the letters equation. कौन कितनी letters है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 letters total. Okay, how many vowels we have? Vowels है भाई, E है, U है, A है, I है, O है, and consonants we have is Q, T, N. 3 consonants and 5 vowels. Okay, what is condition is you have to arrange all of the letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Beginning and end should be with the consonant. For the beginning, how many options you have? You can use any of these three, so 3 options. For the end, how many options? एक चला गया ना इधर, so 2 options are here. Okay, now out of 8 you have used 1 and 2, so the remaining are what, 6. So those 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial. So answer is what, 3 into 2 into 6 factorial, which is 6 factorial is what, 720. So answer is what, 720 into 6 is 4320. Okay, so what is answer is 4320, option number B. Next question. Out of 15 points in a plane, n points are in the same straight line. 4 4 5 triangles can be formed using by joining these points. What is the value of n? अभी थोड़ा सा घुमा के पूछा है क्वेश्चन. So this question concept I have discussed in fun class number 12. Okay, out of 15 points in a plane, 15 points in a plane, 4 4 5 triangles can be formed. Triangles पूछा है. Okay, so 15C, for one triangle I require 3 vertices, but there are n points which are lying on the same straight line. So those straight line triangles I have to remove, which is equals to 4 4 5. Okay, what is 15C3? 15C3 is nothing but 455. So which is nothing but 15, 14 and 13 divided by 1 2 3. So this goes by 5, this goes by 7, there is a 91. So 91 into 5, now 45, which is 455. So 455 minus NC3, which is equals to 445. So NC3 becomes 455 minus 445, which is nothing but 10. Now just look at these options and check which value will give me the 10. Okay, if I take n is equals to 3, nc3 becomes 1. So 3c3 becomes 1. So this is not correct. What will be 4c3? 4c3 is again 4. This is also not correct. 5c3 which is equals to 5c2 which is equals to 5, 4, 1 and 2. ये गया भाई, sorry, ये इसको काटो. So 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, so the option number C. Getting? So basic concepts are very important. The tricks I have given in this question, in this video. A 5-digit number divisible by 3 is to be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition only. What is the number of ways you can do it? 5-digit number बोला divisible by 3. What is divisibility condition for 3? Divisibility condition is what? Your sum of digits should be divisible by 3 होना चाहिए. If number is divisible by 3, then the sum of the digits in that number should be divisible by 3. For example, if you see 123, is it this number, whether this number is divisible by 3? Check this sum. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Whether 6 is divisible by 3? Yes, definitely. Means this number is divisible by 3. So if you take some random number, okay, so whether this number is divisible by 3? No. Why? 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. Whether 16 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible. Means what? This number is also not divisible. Okay, this concept is used here. So how many 5-digit number can be formed? First check whether the sum of these digits is divisible by 3. What is 4? 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So whether the 10 is divisible by 3? No. Means what? You cannot find a number which is divisible by 3. Because you have to use all the numbers. In the question itself they are saying you have to use all the numbers without repetition. If you use all the numbers without repetition, sum of the digits won't be 3, divisible by 3. That's why you cannot form the number which is divisible by 3. One of the simplest question I can see. Again same question number 15 from the 2016. I have already discussed this question. What is the answer is 52C4. The same question, exactly the same question has appeared twice. So only trick is what? Here they have given in terms of sum, where j is ranging from 2 to 5. Okay, please check the question number 30 from the 2019 second part. The same question is there. So again 2016 first part, what is the number of ways in which 3 holiday tickets can be given to 10 employees of an organization if each employee is eligible for any number of tickets? Okay, no condition, you have to distribute these 3 tickets to 10 employees. अभी variable कौन है? Tickets. Okay, tickets can, in how many ways you can give the ticket बोला ना? Tickets can be given. Okay, suppose this is T1, T2 and T3 and these are the employees, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3 and ... employee 10. You are giving the tickets. Okay, means variable, movable कौन हो गया भाई? Tickets are the movable. Fixed कौन है? Employees है. So it is 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 3 is your answer. The in detail explanation I have given in fun class number 11. Please see that. Yes, so the 2016 first part. So the question number 19. What is the number of 4-digit decimal numbers less than 1 in which no digit is repeated? Less than 1 decimal numbers means what? Number should start from 0 point dash dash dash. These all numbers are less than 1 and decimal numbers. Okay, so let's find out. So what is this? This is the 4-digit decimal number, 0 point ... So definitely this 0 has meaning. That's why this total number becomes less than 1. Okay, most of the students get confused in 4-digit or decimal number. See here, 1 2 3 4. This is what? This is the 4-digit decimal number. So here you have to use 0 only. So most of the students say, sir, this can also be a 4-digit decimal number. How? This is not a 4-digit decimal number. This is what 5-digit decimal number, where of course if you are saying this as a 4-digit decimal number, then it does not have any meaning. If you have not considering this 0, then what is the use? This will not become the number less than 1. Okay, you have to consider this place. Getting? So the 4-digit decimal number is what? This is the 4-digit decimal number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4-digit decimal number is, this is the 4-digit decimal number. So this is can be filled in only one way. So no repetition is allowed bola. So this place can be filled in 9 ways. This is 8, this is 7. So 9 into 8 into 7, which is nothing but 504. Okay, so these many numbers there are which are less than 1 and 4-digit decimal number. So any option? No, there is no other option. Student may get answer this or this, which is definitely, if you use the 5 decimal digits, sorry, if you use this, consider this earlier case 5-digit decimal number, then you will get the answer is this. Okay, which is definitely wrong. You have, there is a, भाई इसका वैल्यू है ना खुद का 0 point something बोला है, then only you will get the number which is less than. What if you have this, if you are considering this as, if you are not considering, then if I place 1 here, then this becomes 5-digit decimal number which is greater than 1. That is absolutely wrong. Okay, so 4-digit decimal number has to be 0.00 something dash dash dash. So there are number 504 numbers are there. The answer is none of these. What is the number of different messages that can be represented by 3 zeros and 2 ones? You have 3 zeros and you have 2 ones. Okay, so total there are 5 objects. We have 5 different objects can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, but repetition is what? 0 3 bar repeat twice, so divide by 3 factorial, and 1 has repeated twice, so divide by 2 factorial. So 5 factorial is 120, 3 is 6 into 2, so 12 12 is 10. So answer is what? A. Fun class number 1 and 2. Please see the concept I have given there. If different words are formed with the letters of the word again and arranged alphabetically among themselves as in a dictionary, in the word at the 50th place is. Okay, very good. So the concept I have given in this fun class number 5, 6, 7, please go through it. Again, first step is what? Write down the alphabets in an alphabetical order. A B C D E F G आएगा, H I J K L M. So starting with A, you will get the 4 numbers, 4 factorial, which is nothing but 24. Then starts with G, you will have again 4 factorial, but A has repeated twice, so divided by 2 factorial, so it is 12. Again I, 1 2 3 4, again 4 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 12. Now see here, 24 plus 12 plus 12, 24, so 48 words are there till I, starting I. Okay, now if I start with N, so this will be 49th word. NAAGI is my 49th word. Okay, so 50th word they are asking, so 50th word is what? Just replace these two. So NAAIG is my 50th word. Okay, so getting, so this B is my 50th word, NAAIG. So please look at fun class number 5, 6, 7, you will understand. Next, the number of ways in which a cricket of team 11 players can be chosen out of batch of 15 players, so that the captain of the team is always included. Fun class number 17. Very very important question. Okay, always include. You have total 15 and you have to select 11, but उसमें से एक बंदा already included है, so we have to pick only 10. एक बंदा already included है, that's why the captain, we should not consider the captain in these 15. So for the selection there are only 14 people are available, so for 10 people can be selected of 14 in 14C10 ways. So 14C10 can also be written as 14C4. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 1001. प्लीज सॉल्व दिस 100, ये गया भाई 7 से 4 त्रिकम 12, सो 1391 गुणिले 11. Okay, so 91 गुणिले 11. So how multiplication theorem I already told you. Okay, see here, 91 into 11. So what to do? Write down this 9 and 1 as it is. 9 and 1 as it is. So बीच में क्या आएगा? There is only one place. बीच में इन दोनों का एडिशन आएगा. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 यहाँ पे आएगा, कैरी 1 हो जाएगा. So 1 0 0 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. This is 0 as it is and 1 as it is. Okay. So answer is 1001. Next. A polygon has 44 diagonals. So 2015 second part. 44 diagonals, the number of its sides. अभी polygon का diagonal दिया है. So diagonals are what? So NC2 minus N is always equals to number of diagonals. Total straight lines minus sides. Total straight lines minus total sides is equals to number of diagonals. So NC2 minus N is equals to 44. ओके, द नंबर ऑफ इट्स साइड्स. ना अभी क्या करना है, इसको सॉल्व करते बैठना है नहीं, क्या करना है फिर, जस्ट डू द पावर ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन. लेट्स चेक 11c2 माइनस 11 कितना आता है, 11c2. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आई एम चेकिंग, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन 11c2 minus 11 is what, 11 10 divided by 1 and 2 which is 5. So it is 55 minus 11. 55 minus 11 is nothing but 44. Very good. So what, ये 44, ये 44, ये 44 ही चाहिए ना आपको. सो द आंसर इज व्हाट, इट्स नंबर ऑफ साइड्स पूछा है. सो n becomes what, 11. yes, very good. In detail explanation is there definitely in fun class number 12. Please go through that. The number of ways in which 3 holiday tickets can be given, the same question. Okay, B, see, observe the pattern. Same type of questions are repeating each and every year. 3 holiday tickets, अभी पिछले क्वेश्चन में 10 लोग थे, अभी इसमें 20 लोग आए. मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल गेट 30 लोग. ओके, और you may get the 5 employees, any number. The concept remains same. So here the 3 tickets can be given. So fix कौन है, employees fix है 20, employees को नहीं देना है, ठीक है, टिकट्स को देना है. So 20 raised to 3, fun class number 11, fixed raised to power movable variable, that concept I have told you. So 20 raised to 3 is nothing but 8000. Okay, next. The number of 3 digit even numbers that can be formed from the digits 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 means what, this is a villain का काम करता है. So even digits क्या है, you can have 0 2 or 4 here. So can you use this concept here? No, you cannot consider 0 and 2 and 4 at the same time. So you will have 2 cases. Case number 1 is what, 0 at the units place. So how many options remaining for this place? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, out of 6 you have used 1, so you have 5 and 4. So 20 numbers are even numbers ending with 0. Okay, case 2 क्या बोलता है, case 2 बोलता है कि भाई if you use 2 or 4 at this units place, this can be filled in 2 ways. Okay, 0 you cannot use this place. Okay, see here, means 0 cannot use and 1 digit from this you cannot use, means 2 digits I have used already. Assume 2 digits we have used, out of 6 2 digits are used, so 4 digits are allowed for this place. Now 0 you can use here. Okay, so again 4 options are there. So 4 4 16 into 2 is 32. 32 plus 20, because case 1 or case 2 you will get even numbers. So 20 plus 32 is nothing but 52. So there are total 52 even numbers. Okay, fun class number 10, in which I have discussed the numbers divisible by 5. Please go through that so that you will understand this concept, this question number 44. Next, exam 2015 first part. See here, what is the summation r is moving from 0 to 1, NCR Cn equal to. So let's see, r is equals to 0 and r is equals to 1. So NC0 Cn plus n plus 1Cn, 1 तक है ना. See, I am explaining, that's why it is taking this much time, but if your concepts are really good, definitely you will solve these questions in 60 seconds. So this becomes NCn plus this becomes what, NC1 Cn. So this NCN is always equals to 1, NC1CN. So what, अभी solve करना है क्या? नहीं sir. What to do? Just substitute any value of n and let's check which option is satisfying. Let's substitute n is equals to 3. N is equals to C, 3. If I put n, 3 plus 1 is 4, C, 3. 1 plus 4C3 is 4, which is 5. Check which option is giving me 5 for the value n is equals to 3. So if I take n is equals to 3, so it becomes 5C1. So answer is 5. Yes, definitely it is not correct. Okay, sorry. Yes, this is matching our. So we require 5 answer. So this is matching our question answer. Maybe this can be your answer. So again, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5C3. 5C3 is 10. Yes, it is not correct. So 3 plus 3 is 6C3. So 6C3 is also not equals to 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. It is equals to 20. So definitely it is also not correct. Not correct. NC2, that is 5C. It is n minus 1. It is n minus 1. N minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5C2 is again 10. It is also not correct. So the only option matching is what? Option number A. Power of substitution. No need to open these. So the next and the last question of this session. So the last question is 2015 first part, question number 20. How many words can be formed using all the letters of the word nation so that all the three vowels should never come together? तीनों के तीनों vowels should never come together. Please understand the difference between three vowels come together and no two vowels come together. Okay, these two are totally different questions. This no two vowels come together should never come together, I have discussed in this. So let's discuss the three vowels should never come together. First we will find out the total words we can find out. So total there are 6 letters. So 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. N is repeated twice, so remove n. So it is 720 divided by 2, which is 360. So there are total 360 different words we have. Okay, now find out the words in which all the vowels are together. 1, 2, 3 and all the vowels are together. These many words, let's find out the how many words are there. Okay, so we have total 4 distinct objects here. 4 distinct objects can be written in 4 factorial ways divided by these 3. So out of these 3, n has repeated twice. So 4 factorial is nothing but 24 by 2, which is 12. But again AIO can be permitted in between them. So in 3 factorial ways. So 12 into 6, 72. So there are 72 words which can be arranged such a way that all the vowels are together. Okay, so now what is the concept is, condition is what? 3 vowels should never come together. So the answer will be what? Total words minus vowels together words. Total words minus vowel together words. Total words कितना है? 360 minus 72 are the vowels together वाला case, which is equals to what? 288. So there are 288 words in which these 3 vowels are never together. So the answer is what? 288. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So the second part of this question means the no two vowels come together I have discussed in the fun class number 1, 2 and 3. Please go through this video. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you have any doubt in these questions, please comment box में लिखो, sir मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया. Sir, can this question can be done in some other ways? Yes, definitely. If you have some other way, please share with me. Let's see whether that approach is correct or not. Yes, there are n number of ways to solve one question, but the objective is what? You should get the answer in stipulated time. Okay, कुछ भी doubt रहेगा comment box में लिखो. how you find this video. Please share your views, please give your feedback how you find this video. Okay, I hope you have seen all my previous videos in the fun class number 1 to 18. If you have not seen, please go through that. I have given the link below. Please click on that link and go through all my videos. Share your views. If you like the video, please hit the like button. ठीक है, share करो with your friends and please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos in which I am going to give you more magical tricks on the various topics which will be very helpful for your NDA preparation. Okay, all the best and happy learning. Thank you.